Hello, my name is Ivan Adi Santosa, and before I start my presentation, I would like to express my gratitude to Mr. Jati Utomo for giving me the chance to do a presentation about value engineering study on TH7 and Louisiana Avenue interchange. So let's get started. Project description. The purpose of the proposed TH7 and Louisiana Avenue interchange project is to address deteriorating safety and operational conditions at the TH7 and Louisiana Avenue intersection. The growth of the traffic volume led to higher risk of congestion happening at the 8th grade intersection, making it likely for drivers to take wrong decisions such as not obeying the traffic light. So, replacing the 8th grade intersection with grade separation interchange was needed. And this is the early proposed design. As we can see in the drawing, there are 4 separate roundabout and 1 grade separate intersection. VE objective: A. Conduct a comprehensive review and analysis of the key project issues using a multidiscipline cross-functional team, and then review and improve the proposed design by focusing on A. Improving mobility and reducing the conflict of vehicular and non-vehicular traffic, and B. Minimizing impacts to existing development and enhancing opportunities for future development or redevelopment. And then last but not least, apply the principle and practice of the VE job plan. The owner of the project gave the VE team some constraint or controlling decisions, such as must accommodate pedestrian and bike traffic, both temporary and permanent, avoid Louisiana Oaks apartment complex, avoid Sam's Club, must close right-in, right-out access at or near RR Bridge upon project completion, March 2012 funding obligation date, and November 2011 letting date, minimize right-of-way impact or acquisition and excavation, because there is a high potential of contaminated soils on the surface. And then EA process just starting, draft document out by October 2010, must mitigate impacts to floodplain, no net increase in 10 and 100-year flood elevation, strong desire to not impact pump station and medical office along Lake Street, strong desire to not impact medical office along Walker Street, avoid impact to 4F, desire to minimize impact in southwest quadrant of IC. And then there is the performance attribute. Value engineering has traditionally been perceived as an effective means for reducing project costs. This paradigm only addresses one part of the value equation, oftentimes at the expense of overlooking the role that VE can play with regard to improving project performance. So in value engineering, besides reducing the cost, we also try to increase the worth of the project for improving the function of the project. So there are 7 performance attribute: mainline operation, local operation, maintainability, construction impact, environmental impact, project schedule, VE to letting, and risk. This is the cost model for the project. As we can see, the roadway and the construction sums up a lot of is the biggest part of the cost. And in here we can see that the total construction cost is $19,885,215. And then we can analyze the function that we need to achieve using phase diagram. We can see here that the higher order function is improve mainline operations and improve local operations, and we can achieve it by creating access, constructing interchange, move earth, span roadway, construct ramp, reconstruct streets, and so on and so on. And the lower function is apply design criteria. And here's the performance attribute matrix from the attribute performance attribute before. And there's also the idea evaluation form. Here we can see that an idea will be evaluated by its qualitative way of improvement, advantage and disadvantage, and then later it will be converted to a rating from the scale 0 to 5. And then there is the design consideration, like using mechanically stabilized earth walls, lower the hill on TH7 between Texas Avenue and Louisiana Avenue to acquire material for embankment. With the current low price of steel, consider a steel girder bridge used to bridge instead of one. Create a signature bridge, include transit in final design. Consider the use of rain gardens in a roundabout and boulevard. Use concrete instead of bituminous for the driving surface of the roundabout. Use accelerated bridge construction. See write-up on following page. And then there is the summary of recommendation. From all the recommendation, there is an estimated saving from 3.9 million to 5.1 million dollar, with performance improvement vary from 7% to 11%, depending on the implementation strategy. There are three scenario or strategy, as we can see in scenario A, B, and C. Scenario A, B, and C have a major difference in the design of the intersection. Scenario A use single lane roundabouts. Scenario B use tight urban diamond interchange, and scenario C use single point roundabout interchange. Scenario A can improve the performance by 8%. Scenario B can improve the performance by 7%. And last but not least, scenario C can improve the performance by 11%. This is the insight of the recommendation ground improvement. As we already know, the soil is contaminated and it's a high risk if we want to do cut and fill. To improve the quality of the soil, so we suggest methods like ground improvement using jet grouting, and then using lightweight fill as a substitute for the fill, and then using pile supported fill. As we can see in the drawings, the pile will distribute the load to firm foundation. And then there is supported slope, as we can see in here. We can use mechanically stabilized earth as well. And then there is this single line roundabout. I'm sorry, but this is not the exact design that the VE team proposed. It's just an illustration. And then there is removing median on Louisiana Avenue, so we can have a more flexible traffic distribution or lane distribution. And then there is a tight urban diamond interchange, and then there is single point roundabout interchange. And also this is the last part of my presentation. So thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.